Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have one more product from Autofy. Let's check it out. This is Autofy's Neo Mobile Holder for all motorcycles. This mobile holder is backed with 1-year unconditional warranty and lifetime technical support. Kindly refer to the instructions provided on the warranty manual to activate and claim your warranty. Let's check the content of the box. To starting off with, this is the warranty card. This is the handlebar mount, and other parts for the fitment. And the other packet has the main unit, rubber claw and other elements. The thing we loved the most is attention towards detail, as they have provided each and everything which will need it for installation, and other small things like zip ties, Allen key, an extra fuse, etc. This is a high-quality alloy, rugged with CNC aluminum body which makes it corrosion-resistant, rust-proof, and durability for survival in tough conditions. It is universally suitable for all size mobile phones. The Eagle Claw design expands up to 10 mm in wideness and grips your phone from all corner. The anti-slip rubber padding protects your device from slipping and scratches while riding. As we have no place to install on our handlebar, and thus we are using this part provided in the box. Installation is easy, and can be done in no time. The 1.5 meters long wire with metal clamp at wire ends for easy screwing at battery points. The replaceable fuse socket provided on the wire for protection against electrical surges. The 5 volts USB port operating at 12 volts to 24 volts delivers a constant 2.5 amp output, charging the phone at much faster and efficiently than conventional bike mobile chargers. The USB port design is out of reach of rain and gives waterproof ability. And the integrated crisp on/off switch button gives easy switching on and off the charging while riding. Its design allows to place and rotate the mobile in 360 degrees. Due to its premium quality and steadiness, we love this mobile holder, and will definitely recommend it to have on your bike.